All right. Do you feel it? Let's see. Reeling? Keep reeling? Real slowly. Just real slowly. Real slowly. He's on there. He's still on there. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. He's going now. Let him swim. Let him swim. Let's give him a little bit more slack. All right. When he pulls it tight, then you're going to start fighting him.
No?
Not yet. He's going to pull it. When he starts pulling it out of your hand. Here. You got to have to set the hook pretty hard. It's just sitting there. Ready? All right. Go ahead and reel up tight. Reel until it gets tight, tight, tight. Ready?
I think you need to do it.
All right, here, we'll hold the phone real quick.
Okay. Are you making a YouTube video?
Yeah. Get that rope.
Here you go, G. Here you go, G. Now reel.
Real?
Yep. Put your line, put your finger over top.
Where the fire is.
Oh my God.
There you go. Reel them in. Reel them in. It's all right. Reel them in.
You gotta do it.
You got it. You got it. You got it. Just hold it up. Put it right here. Look. Put it right here on your hip. All right. Hold it tight. Put it on your hip bone.
You need to do it.
No, you got to reel them in. You can't. No, you got it.
I can't.
Come on, reel them in, man.
My wrist broken like that.
Your wrist broke. Well, hold it right here. Put your hand right here. No, this hand. Right there. All right. There you go. Now put it on your hip bone right here. Put the
Can you please do it?
No, you got it.
Why do you want to?
You got it. You can reel it in. Don't let him get away. Don't let him get away. Keep reeling. You got. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. He's coming towards you. Keep reeling. Don't back up. Just reel. Don't back up because you're gonna back up into the water. You got it. Let him run. Wait, let's see. You got it. Ready? Reel it all the way down. Reel your tip all the way down to the water.
Move it over here. Hold on tight. You can do it.
Here, you want me to hold the pole for you? Hold the pole down there. All right, now reel. Go.
Ooh, he's gonna get a big one.
Reel him up. Come on, you gotta fight the fish. Oh, you gotta.
You can't do two hands.
Hold on. Let him run. All right.
Can't do that.
All right, reel it back this way. You gotta pull him back. Come on. Yeah. Oh, wait, that might make for.
Oh, that's a. Oh, what's that?
That's a gar.
Oh no! You trying to catch that?
All right. Now hold it right there. Don't move. Hold it tight. He's gonna try to run. Hold it right there. I gotta get the rope. Here.
I'm trying to take my own picture.
Oh, I think that's for Daddy. I don't think you.
That's for Mommy, Avery. You can't have that. That's beer.
You gotta hold my hand. What? Look in the water. Look in the water. No, look
Wow.
in the water. You want me to hold you so you can see it?
Oh man.
Look.
Bring him back.
See it? Look. See? Jimmy, go help him with that poke. Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
That's a big old fish. You say no. That fish say no.
I thought it was gonna be a fish and an alligator.
It's called the Garfish. That's alligator Garfish.
See the way it got that pole there?
Alligator. It's a garfish. Oh, my goodness.
This was her Aggie.
Be careful, Jeffrey.
Look at she's trying to go around you to see.
Ooh. Can you see?
Oh, that
Oh.
your pole.
Oh, he broke the pole.
Ouch, girl.
Sorry, Jeff.
So what? Now he has.
You got the look.